Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my typical morning cleaning routine. Now, I have to tell you guys right up front, I am definitely very OCD with how I clean, when I clean, and I always like to try and do these routines in the morning because it just helps get my day started off right. So I'm going to start off by doing all of the beds as you can see me doing now in the master bedroom, and I'm going to move on into both boys' rooms downstairs, my two younger sons. If you've been around, I've got three boys. Britton's 13, Asher's 9, and Jensen is 2. Britton, my 13-year-old, totally handles himself, so I will not be going up to his room because he makes his own bed and does his own little morning routine. But here, I'm just going to make our bed, and it just makes me feel good for the day. And, of course, here's little Bentley. This is my collie puppy. I had to show him some love, but I wanted to get this all done. I can't wait to show you guys my spring bedding. So stay tuned as I make the beds. I will gather up all of the laundry in the rooms, and then I will throw on a little load of laundry, and I just kind of have this little routine. Now, keep in mind, this is a cleaning video. I did not film this all in one segment. I do have a 2-year-old that definitely needs my attention. So throughout the morning, I don't get everything done all at one time. I have to be patient, and obviously he definitely comes first. So that will, just kind of give you guys an idea, because I feel like sometimes you watch these videos and you're like, man, I wish I could just do all that, but that's not really how it's going down over here. So I just want to let you guys know that for sure right up front. But yes, I'm making the bed. I'm moving over to Asher's room. I'm opening up all the blinds. I kind of like to open up the house. You'll see me do that. Dishes, laundry. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your E.
For our family, I usually like to run the dishwasher at nighttime, unless it's like a weekend where we just accumulate more dishes than normal. But throughout the day, like in the morning, I'll unload the dishwasher like this, and then I'll just kind of add the dishes as we go. When Jensen and I are here by ourselves, it's not really a whole lot of dishes. But like I said, on the weekends when, everybody's here, sometimes I have to run it twice because it's just everybody here and we're just, staying at home more. So there's just more and more dishes. But I'm just trying to get them all nice and tidy. Here I'm putting up my Ninja Foodie. I'm loving this thing, guys. I got it for Christmas. So if you guys want to see any recipes, please leave that down in the comments.
Baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
now that I kind of have like my morning little like routine that I do, which is normally Jensen and I wake up in the morning, I get his breakfast, and we just kind of hang out in our pajamas, and then both of us get dressed. And that's when I kind of start what you guys saw in the beginning of the video, which is like make the beds. And then I do, a load of laundry. I like to get 1 or 2 loads done at least every day. And then I kind of move on into the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, put the dishes in. And on this particular day right now, I'm in the master bathroom. I kind of pick like one thing, almost kind of like the Fly Lady system. I guess you could kind of say like a zone cleaning type thing where I'm like, okay, this side of the house needs something done this week. And then maybe next week, the boys' bathroom needs to be done, or the hall bathroom, just anything like that. And I kind of add that to like my daily routine. And sometimes this happens every other day. I mean, guys, we've got kids, here. I know that you guys are probably very similar. So, some days I do nothing. I mean, I hate to say it that way, but I mean, it's just the truth. And other days I'm a lot more productive and I get like a lot accomplished. So I don't ever want anybody to feel like, watching a video, you feel like, oh my gosh, I'm just not doing anything, because that is just, just life. That's just how it works. So here I'm just making sure that I'm wiping down our bathroom and bedroom. Guys, I can't talk. I'm sorry. So I'm wiping down the bathroom. You will notice I did kind of start cleaning out the tub. So we've had to take Bentley in there when he's gotten super muddy. But here I figured out that the drain was clogged. So yeah, that's going to have to be, my husband looks at that and fixes it. So I didn't get a nice after shot of the bathtub because it wasn't a very nice after shot, because we're going to have to figure out what's going on there. So this was definitely not a deep clean. I didn't touch the shower stall. We really need to do some work in there. It needs some repairs in the shower stall. So this is just kind of quick, like, hey, I need to wipe everything down. It just needed a little bit of attention. I do have a little bit more of like a cleaning routine, probably every 2 weeks, where I actually go in and clean every single thing. If you guys are interested in seeing that, leave that down in the comments below. But this is just kind of a real quick, like, let's just get it nice and tidy. Again, you guys are definitely watching somebody who's been clinically diagnosed as having OCD and generalized anxiety disorder. So I'm definitely probably a little bit more over the top when it comes to how I clean, how often I clean, and things like that. But I'm just keeping it real with you guys. So just want to let you know that up front. So right now I'm just going to finish sweeping up the floor.
There's always this big part of me, wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to wait too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
All right, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here, just doing my laundry, flipping it over. Today, I ended up getting 3 loads of laundry done, so that was awesome. If you guys are new, please click that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. Go to my Instagram page if you haven't already, because I will be announcing the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway, and I'm very excited. Thank you, guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.